Hello everyone, today's video I would like to show you how to install or upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 for unsupported PC. As you can see right now, my PC does not meet Windows 11 requirement, so not support CPU and processor, and PC must support TPM. So if you want to install it without that option, I will show you step by step from start to finish and without losing any of your data on your computer or program. Okay, let me close the first thing first. You need to download Windows 11 ISO file. I have put link in the description. You download the ISO file. Okay, the third option. Okay, and then you can right click mount or extract it, and here I have extract already the file right here, the setup file. But when we set up it, we got the same message that our PC not supporting. I have the old one, so I have prepared the appraiser file, the DL file, to replace in here. Basically, this file is used the text file that used to remove the requirement, so we can set up it. So just copy this file here, copy and paste in source. Yes, just paste it. So replace it. Okay, I have put the link in the description. You can download the file. Okay, right now we can start it. Yes. Okay, next. Okay, right now we are okay to go. So you can see we are ready. Just accept and it will check our PC. Okay, everything is fine. So we do and change here. See the file and the app keep. So you have option you can change. Keep personal file and app, so it will not remove your existing application data, or keep only data, remove all, or nothing mean remove all app and data. So here we keep it, so our data right here still, or our program that installed still can use. Okay, click next. So keep watching, it will show you from start to finish. Okay, let's install. So it may take several minutes and it may restart a few times. Here I use virtual machine, so it may be slow. Okay, it almost finished. Just wait a moment. Okay, right now we are right here. Privacy location, you can toggle on or off and find your device and other information. Okay, I just click keep there, accept. See, here we got our Windows 11. Here you see. Yeah, see our Windows 11. So our data is all here and we got new. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. See you in the video.